Do you struggle to create new videos that your audience is interested in? The new Inspiration tab, formerly called the Research tab, can help you think of new video ideas your viewers want to watch. It'll also save you time by creating an outline for your next video. Let me show you how to get to the Inspiration tab and how it works. Click on Analytics after you've logged into your YouTube channel and click on Inspiration. You'll see Get Ideas for your next video, what people are looking for, new ideas to inspire you, and make it short. Later, I'll show you how to access the Inspiration tab from your phone. Let me know in the comments below if you currently use the Inspiration tab to get new video ideas. Let's look at Get Ideas for your next video. Enter a search term under Get Ideas for your next video. I entered YouTube algorithm. Hit return on your computer. Under YouTube algorithm, it says your viewers' interest in related topics in the last 28 days. If I click the heart symbol, it'll show me similar topics on my feed. If I click three dots, I can save the topic, not interested report, or get help. Under similar ideas, I've got how to optimize your videos for search engine rankings, tips for optimizing your videos for the algorithm. And if I click refresh, I get even more similar ideas. If I scroll down, it shows what type of videos people are watching for this particular keyword phrase. If I click show all, it'll show all the videos that people are currently watching for that particular topic. If I click on videos, it'll show all the videos that people are currently watching based upon the keyword phrase YouTube algorithm. For example, this video from Think Media has currently 62,000 views. This video from VidIQ currently has 3.7 million views. Instead of copying the title and content for any of these videos, come up with your own title and content so your video is unique and stands out from your competitors. For example, here's a couple of videos I created on the YouTube algorithm that currently rank on the first page of Google. If I click on Shorts under what people are watching, then I can see all the top Shorts videos for that particular keyword phrase, YouTube algorithm. For example, this Shorts video made 3 years ago has 3.4 million views, whereas this video made 6 months ago has 2.3 million views. I can then study all the top Shorts videos to get inspiration for my own Shorts video. It also shows me top searches for this topic, how to break YouTube algorithm, how to check YouTube algorithm, how the YouTube algorithm works. If I click show all, I've got all the top searches for this topic. If I click content gaps, it'll show me topics that I can make new videos on. But what do content gaps mean? A content gap happens when viewers can't find enough quality search results on YouTube for their particular search. You can use content gaps as inspiration for content that doesn't exist or needs to be improved. A content gap happens when viewers can't find any results for their searches. They can't find an exact match for their searches. They can't find relevant videos for their searches because the videos are too old or of low quality. The Create Outline feature included in the Inspiration tab can help you quickly generate an outline for your next video. Keep in mind the Outline feature on the Inspiration tab can only be accessed from your computer, not from mobile devices. Here's how it works. Enter a topic in the search bar. I entered Get More Views on YouTube. If you want to create an outline, just click Create Outline. And here's a quick outline, 3 ways to check your YouTube video SEO. Check your video's title, description, and tags. Learn how to improve your YouTube video SEO. Get more views on YouTube videos. Improve your YouTube channel rankings. Learn how to use YouTube SEO to grow your channel. Copy the outline so you can use it for your next video. Keep in mind this is AI generated content, so it's going to vary in quality, but I highly recommend adding a personal touch to make it unique. Here's how to get to the Inspiration tab from your phone. Tap the YouTube Studio app, tap Analytics. You've got Explore Topics, Top Searches, Recent Videos, and Content Gaps for Shorts. Enter your search topic. Under Get More YouTube Views, I've got Recent Audience Activity, Searched on YouTube, and Watched on YouTube. If you need more ways to find fresh creative ideas to overcome your creative blocks, watch this video on the screen right now titled 10 Creative Ways to Find Inspiration for Your Next YouTube Video.